Here's my recommendation on how to select nose or mouth tape to stop mouth breathing in sleep and snoring. Now, there are nose tape that claims to expand nostril during your sleep, but I don't really recommend that. What I recommend is to simply use surgical tape or nose tape like this to tape your mouth. It's cheap, and actually it's just to make it you reminded that you need to use your nostril during your sleep. Once you get used to using your nostril, then you don't need it anymore. Select the one that won't cause you any irritation or discomfort on your skin.